Hi, I am Colonel SK Singh, and I was driving down from northern India, from Jammu to further ahead in middle India, and my vehicle had broken down, and it's a very long road. I needed some Hyundai assistance. I had searched on net, and I found out Sangam Hyundai here in Prayagraj, and initially I was very worried about that. It would take a lot of time and everything, but the moment I landed up here, it was a wonderful experience for me, and I'm pretty thankful to the customer care as well as the floor manager team. The infrastructure, lobby, and everything was quite good. The best part was I was promptly attended, and all my job was almost cleared upon within 2 to 3 hours. And it was simply a wonderful and excellent experience for me. Thank you. Thanks a lot for this Sangam Hyundai team.